In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit funds into your Robinhood account. Whether you're new to investing or looking for a refresher, this guide will walk you through the process, helping you add money quickly and safely so you can start trading or investing right away. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Robinhood app on your mobile device, or if you prefer, go to the Robinhood website on your computer. Once you're on the login page, enter your credentials and log into your account. Make sure to double check that your login information is correct so you can smoothly access your account without any trouble. Now that you're logged in, look for the account icon. If you're using the mobile app, you'll find this icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. If you're on the website, it's located in the top right corner. Go ahead and tap or click on the account icon to open your account menu. In this menu, find the section labeled Transfers. This is where you'll be able to move money to and from your Robinhood account. Select the option that says Deposit to Robinhood. This is the feature you'll use whenever you want to add more funds to your balance. Next, you'll be asked to choose the bank account you want to transfer money from. If you've already linked a bank account to Robinhood, you'll see it listed there. Just select the appropriate one. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, Robinhood will guide you through a series of prompts to connect one. Typically, this will involve logging into your bank through a secure interface or manually entering your account and routing numbers. Make sure your details are accurate, as this will ensure your funds are deposited without any issues. Once your bank account is selected, enter the exact amount you'd like to deposit. Take a moment to review your available balance in your bank, just to double check that you have enough funds for the transfer. Deposits to Robinhood may take a couple of business days to fully process, depending on your bank. But in many cases, you'll get instant access to a portion of your funds to begin investing right away. When you're ready, tap or click the Submit button to confirm your deposit. After submitting, you should see a confirmation screen indicating your transfer is being processed. If you want, you can check the status of your deposit by returning to the transfer section. And that's it. You've successfully deposited funds into your Robinhood account. If you run into any issues or have additional questions, Robinhood's support team is always available to help. Thanks for watching and happy investing.